Most leaders think they need to learn AI before they can start using it confidently. They don't. Trying to learn everything about AI before you start is probably the best way to keep yourself stuck. So, how do you develop confidence in AI when the technology keeps on changing? You build your confidence with AI the same way that you built your confidence in leadership, through repeated experience. Confidence doesn't come from feeling ready. Confidence comes from successfully completing small little tasks and growing over time. Imagine we have two leaders. One spends a lot of time reading up about AI before they even start. The second jumps straight in. They learn through their mistakes. The first leader knows more about AI, but the second leader has got more experience on what works and what doesn't. That's where your confidence will come from. The difference is action. This week, take one task that you know is going to take you 20 minutes. Apply AI to it. Give it the instructions, then examine what worked and what didn't. Then try again. But what happens when AI does make mistakes? We treat it like a new assistant. When the new assistant comes into the office and they hand you a report that's not quite correct, you don't fire them. You take time to show them how to improve their work. AI is exactly the same. It's an inexperienced assistant that you need to work with to get it to do the right thing. But on the flip side, you need to learn through that experience what prompts, what actions you need to take to ensure that the results do come out better. It's a two-way street. You don't become confident by learning about AI, you become confident by using it. If you want to learn more about the AI that you're going to be using, then click the link below for the free books written by the AI that actually help you in the practical steps. Also, we have the books on Amazon and up on the webpage. All the links are below. And don't forget the social media as well. AI is a tool that is here to help us improve our lives. The more you learn to use it, the better you become with it and the greater confidence you will have. I'm Terry Shotwell. Have a great day.